Hi guys, this is the second part of my AIRFIX skyraider retro model kit build. If you missed the first part, you can watch it here. In the last episode I finished the interior, I glued the wing parts together and I finished the engine. After this video, the white plastic parts will look similar to an airplane, I hope. So follow me in this second part too. Here is one of my favorite tricks. How can small gaps vanishes without sanding? And the answer is, I apply Mr. Surfacer 500 with the brush and I let it dry. After that I wipe the surface with the thinner. At this point I used the first and only upgrade on this model kit. Because I did not like the original weapon loadout, I changed it. I used this Hasegawa bomb set. Every retro modeler have their own method to restore raised panel lines. Well, here is mine. I use a wig as a restore material. Why black? Because I can see it well. First I glue the hair to the surface. Wipe the excess glue with my thumb. The second step is, when the glue is hardened, I apply the glue again with the toothpick. And I wipe it again with my thumb. And the third step is, I cut the hair at the panel line intersections. Which glue do you use during this, Richie? That's super glue. What I really do. At the first step I glue the hair. The second step I form the glued hair similar to the panel line profile. And the third step I cut the hair where it's not conspicuous. Hey Richie, is this method durable restore? Yes, if you do it properly it is equal or stronger than the original. Use cheap plastic wig. New Year wig is the best. But not pink. I hate pink. Thank you for watching.